Good morning, grade 2. It's week 5, and for this week, to learn how to add columns and rows in our previous table. So let's start. I am first going to open my previous file and I save it in the grade 2 folder. So I am going to open the grade 2 folder, then look for the file road sign. There it is. So I'm going to maximize it so you can clearly see the pictures. Now, as you can see, I have minimized the size of the row of the number since it doesn't need much space. Same as the road sign, and I could probably just minimize the size of this one also. For us to draw another column and rows, we will be clicking first the main menu insert. Last week we used the table in inserting the rows and columns, and so today we are going to make use of the same submenu. Click the downward triangle, then it will show you more options. So last week we made use of this, but this week we are going to use the draw table. So as you see right now, our mouse cursor is still in arrow, and once we bring it in here, it's in text cursor. But once we click the draw table, the arrow now changes to a pencil. Okay? The cursor changes to a pencil. So this pencil will help us draw more columns and rows in our document. So what we will do is click on the edge of the lines, and then press the left button of the mouse, hold it, and move the cursor to the side, to the right, then creating creating a column, then release. And I create another one to the lower, to the bottom part. There. Sorry. Start here. Creating a column. Then released. And I create now the rows. So we are drawing rows. We are just following the lines of the old table. After that, we are going to fill in the colors of each rows. But as you see, our cursor is still in pencil. To cancel that, we are going to press the escape key on your keyboard. So the escape key is located at the left upper side of your keyboard, the first left upper side of your keyboard, and it has letters ESC for escape. Once you press that, it will change the cursor to text or arrow cursor. So once you have that, you can start changing and making use again of the different menus. Gonna click this. Let's go for design, then change the shading to the color that we had there, and this one should be here, there, and there it goes. So we will be making use of this fourth column for our next activity next week. And before you close, you have to make sure you save your work. Click File, click Save. Don't click Save As, because Save As is used for changing the file name or creating a new document. You can press this Save As you can see, the icon, the picture for save is blue diskette, so it has same purpose as this one. You can click that or click the save here. This one or this one it's fine. Now you can close it. So next week we will make use of the fourth columns. Okay, bye grade 2. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me a message. Bye.